Why is this important? Here we're looking at a very large study of about 50,000 people, where they tracked them in this study, I think it was over a period of about 7 years, and they looked at the health conditions that they had and how much those contribute to death over that period of time, right? So, blue bars are men, orange bars are women. So if you have diabetes, these are the number of deaths that contributed to the total pool for this study. 3 for women, 4 for men. Let's call it an average of, 3.5. If you've got high cholesterol, 2 for women, 4 for men. You can kind of start to see where this is heading, yeah? Hypertension, big player, right? Really big player for both men and women, especially for men. We can see 7 attributable deaths to having hypertension, 14, almost 15 for men. Whether you're a smoker or not, around that 8 or 9. Obesity measured by BMI, 3-ish. Low fitness. Can I exaggerate that a little bit more? 16, 17 deaths when we compare those that are the least fit compared to the most fit in this population group. So when we have a look at what are the things that we typically think about from a health perspective, how do you mark yourself as healthy? We know that if we go to the GP, what are the things that your GPs measure? And by the way, this is no attack on GPs. They're doing the absolute best they can with the time that they have, right? And the number of conditions that we take in when we go and see them. But they'll be having a look at your insulin sensitivity, to have a look at whether you're diabetic or not, for example. They're definitely going to be looking at your lipids, to have a look at your cholesterols and the breakdowns. Definitely your blood pressure. They'll smack you across the face if you're a smoker, right? They'll say, don't do that. They'll measure your BMI. Who's had their fitness measured by their GP recently? Look at the protective effect that this carries, right? And unfortunately, the health advice that normally comes out is, be a little bit more active, right? Go and fly a kite. Yeah? Nowhere near enough. Nowhere near enough, right?